Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro, and today I will show you how we can turn off Quick Launch on OnePlus 9 Pro. I'm talking about this feature when you lock your screen and then use fingerprint sensor. When you unlock, click hold and then choose one of the feature. So if you want to disable this feature, you have to go for the settings. You have to tap on the search wheel and type Quick. Then go for the Quick Launch and here it is. So tap, and if you want to turn it off, you have to simply tap on this feature. As you can see, right now this feature is not working anymore. As you can see, it was removed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.